Spider-Man. Sweet. 2 bags of Haribo. Oh wow. What else have you got? Batman card.
Mummy, look.
We'll have to look into that, won't we? See about getting them. What else is there? What are these? Football cards.
Football cards.
More cards. Another card. What else have you got? Oh, a book. That's good, isn't it? Scooby-Doo. Oh!
What?
A fishy card. Well done.
In school. And this.
Yeah, that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of cool things.
They're really good. Mummy.
Good idea.